Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Eric Glazier, we've got your Grand America coming out of the box for our BMW representative extraordinaire of the East Coast. We just thought we'd do a little quick video for you on your Grand America package as you are transitioning off your K16B, and you helped us out with some K16B videos. Do something for the memories of Frontline Eurosports and our love for Eric Glazier. Let's get it done, Josh. We're going to get our BMW Master Technician Bob Burchard. Too bad he's not in here to do his special little dance and video for you. But we're going to get him to prep this machine for you. And we'll see you up here soon to take home your new 2018 BMW K16B Grand America package in black here. Thanks and have a good day.